Hello guys and welcome, and look what we have here today. This is my favorite snack. We are making some delicious street corn, and the reason why I call it a street corn is because you can find it almost everywhere in Mexico. Like every little corner you can see them. They make them in the different ways, but today we're gonna make it in the Instant Pot. So let's get started. So this is the Instant Pot that I will be using today. You can use any Instant Pot. And for the purpose of this video, I will be cooking only 3. And the first thing that I like to do is to make sure that they fit before I add the water. The corn is nice and clean. I already removed the husk, but I'm not going to remove this part. And if you want to cut them in pieces, you can go ahead and cut them. It's time to add the water, and I'm going to add only 1 cup of water. It doesn't matter how many pieces you put in here, 1 cup will be enough. And the reason why is because we are cooking them only for 3 minutes. And I'm going to give you a little secret. Maybe you already know this, but I'm going to add some sugar. The reason why I'm adding sugar is to give the corn a better sweet flavor. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to do it, but it tastes really, really good. So I'm going to add just a little bit, and I'm going to mix it with the water. I just want to make sure that the sugar dissolves really good with the water. This is something that a lot of people don't like to do, but I like to do it. I like to add this rag to the bottom of the Instant Pot and then put the corn on top of it. Go ahead and press the button where it says manual. Yours might say pressure cook, and set the time for 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes are done, you are going to do a quick release. That means that you are going to help the Instant Pot release the pressure. And when I say a quick release, that means that you are going to move the steam release handle and you're going to turn it where it says venting. After the 3 minutes, the corn is ready. Now you can go ahead and prepare them however you want. You can go ahead and add whatever toppings you want. I will be using this type of Mexican cheese that is called cotiza cheese. It's really dry and it's really good. To me, the best way to make corn is by steaming the corn. Okay, a lot of people like to put it in water, but I don't like to do that. I like to steam mine because I think it gets a really good flavor. And also, if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can go ahead and do it in a pot. Just make sure that you put more water because it's not going to take 3 minutes to cook. Okay, it's gonna take more than that, probably 20 minutes or so. But this is the best way of making it. If you're craving this, go ahead and get yourself some corn. It's really cheap. It's not that expensive to make it at home. And another thing that you can do is wait for the sales and then buy them and put them in the freezer and then eat them whenever you feel like it. And that's it, my friends. This is how easy you can prepare them at home. I want to thank you guys for spending time with me. I really do hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe. God bless, and I hope I'll see you next time. Adios.